Special herb roasted turkey. This easy method produces all the good looks and moist flavor you dream of in an oven-roasted turkey. Make sure you show this beauty off at the table before you carve it. Garnish your serving platter with fresh herb sprigs and citrus wedges for a show-stopping Thanksgiving turkey. Ingredients: 1 10 to 12 pound turkey, quarter cup fresh herbs plus 20 whole sprigs such as thyme, rosemary, sage, oregano, and/or marjoram, divided. 2 tablespoons canola oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground pepper. Aromatics: onion, apple, lemon, and/or orange, cut into 2-inch pieces, 1½ cups. 3 cups water plus more as needed. Directions. Step 1. Position a rack in the lower third of the oven. Preheat to 475 degrees. Step 2. Remove giblets and neck from turkey cavities and reserve for making gravy. Place the turkey breast side up on a rack in a large roasting pan. Pat dry with paper towels. Mix minced herbs, oil, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. Rub the herb mixture all over the turkey, under the skin, and onto the breast meat. Place aromatics and 10 of the herb sprigs in the cavity. Tuck the wingtips under the turkey. Tie the legs together with kitchen string. Add 3 cups water and the remaining 10 herb sprigs to the pan. Step 3. Roast the turkey until the skin is golden brown, 45 minutes. Remove from the oven. Cover the breast with a double layer of foil, cutting as necessary to conform to the breast. Step 4. Reduce oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue roasting until an instant read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of a thigh without touching bone registers 165 Fahrenheit, 1¼ to 1¾ hours more. If the pan dries out, tilt the turkey to let juices run out of the cavity and into the pan and add 1 cup water. Step 5. Transfer the turkey to a serving platter and cover with foil. Let the turkey rest for 20 minutes. Remove string and carve.